Hello everyone, welcome to Rabia's Easy Drawing. Let's learn shapes. First of all, we are gonna learn colors. So, yellow color, purple color, light green color, red color, dark green color, brown color, blue color, orange color, pink color. So here are our colors. Hope so you have learned and you will remember them. Now let's begin drawing our shapes. First of all, we are gonna draw a circle. So for drawing it, I'm using this tape. You can also use any circular thing which you find in your room. We have drawn a circle. Now our next shape is a triangle. Just draw two lines like this and then join them horizontally. Triangle. Now we are drawing a square shape. Square. Repeat with me everybody. Square. Circle, triangle, square. Our next shape is a rectangle. Rectangle. It's just like a square, but its horizontal lines are of more length than of a square. Now we are drawing a pentagon. Which shape is this? Oh, sorry, this is a hexagon. Hexagon. Hexagon have 6 corners, but pentagon have 5 corners. How many corners? Pentagon have 5 corners and hexagon have 6 corners. So we are done drawing our shapes almost. Now let's start coloring our shapes. We are using green color to fill the complete circle. Green color filling in the circle shape. Now we are using blue color to fill the rectangle shape. We are done filling our rectangle with blue color. Now let's use purple color and fill square shape. Purple color in square shape. Now we are using red color to fill in the which shape is this? Remember, this is a triangle. Red color in the triangle shape. Now we are gonna use orange color to fill our hexagon with orange color. So slowly we are filling our hexagon with orange color. Hope so you have learned the shapes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Rabia's Easy Drawing. Take care. Bye.